Howdy folks, this is Robert, Rolling Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. I just come on here to tell you that I'm still alive. I hadn't been on here in quite a while. Had some personal stuff to take care of. Been dealing with these storms and stuff. Had to get me a new generator, get all that lined out. Extension cords and stuff run through the house. On standby. We're supposed to get some more weather today. We've been having random power outages in this area and stuff, so just been busy with that, but haven't given up on YouTube yet. So just been too busy to really cook a lot. I've put out a couple of TikTok videos and stuff, but haven't been able to put anything out real serious or anything. So if you would, just go over there and check me out on TikTok under Rob, and has my emblem. It says Rolling Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. I've got a couple of cooks that I've done recently. One yesterday, I did smoked meatloaf for Memorial Day, and I think I've done a fish fry before that. So y'all check my TikTok channel out. I will be back to normal before too long and everything, and getting everything settled, and I'll be back to cooking. So see y'all then. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.